Hello, I am Zaid Al-Katibi in class 6B. Today I will tell you about volcano in Mexico. A volcano that happened in Mexico City in September 9, 2022, just 43 miles, 70 kilometers southeast of Mexico City. Mexico is one of the most seismology active regions on Earth. One volcano is called Popocatépetl, found in Mexico City, had two explosions September 9, 2022, before dawn local time. A number of a strong explosion caused a Popocatépetl throughout the 9 and 10 September. Here is the damage data. There was powerful tremors that have killed more than 400 people and caused damage of up to 8 billion in USD and it's 2 billion and 384 million and 280,000 in UAE dirham.